on an ordinary day. My heart gave out and the lights went gray. A widowmaker took me where the living don't go. Pain went sharp, then the whole world slowed. I wish I could hand you some grand old scene, golden gates up ahead and the space between. But I came back holding something small and true, quiet kind of peace I couldn't undo. Fear not, that's what stayed with me when the dark closed in and the world went thin. I don't know it all, but I know one thing: the Lord was near and He brought back peace. Fear not, that's what stayed with me. Psalm 23 reads a different way, a little less poetry, a little more plain. Yeah, though I walk through death's long shade, I ain't speaking theory when I hear that said. There's folks right now with fear in their chest, waiting on word they're praying won't come next. I can't fix that, can't make it feel light, but fear ain't the only thing real at night. I didn't come back with answers in my hand, came back with questions I still don't understand. Why some stay and some go on, why one gets dusk and one gets dawn. I just know this: when I got close to the edge of breath and the end of hope, the shepherd was nearer than fear had said, and peace walked with me through that shadowed stretch. Fear not, that's what stayed with me. Not the fear, not the pain, not the fading scene. I don't know it all, but I know one thing: the Lord was near and He brought back peace. Fear not, that's what stayed with me. I still ride roads I can't always see, but I ain't as afraid as I used to be. The valley got real, so did His hand, and that's enough truth for this old